everybody, we are Gorin
and Jonathan Weiss.
and today we will start our second lesson.
And today we'll talk about the movements, about caminata, about walking.
And it's important to understand that all our movements start in our center.
What it means, we are not just moving our feet or our arms. Any movement initiates in our body and only then the limbs continue.
So let's make a simple exercise for that.
How to find that mysterious center where any movement starts.
So let's do arm to the opposite leg.
So we'll take an arm and we'll touch the opposite leg.
Be careful, it's not leg to the arm. So our hip remain in the same place. And don't be scared to go a little bit forward. Remember, we need to be in our ball of the foot
dynamic position.
and not in our heel. So, opposite arm to the opposite leg. Opposite arm to the opposite leg.
And now if we think about it, those lines will be crossing our body in one point. So that point where those lines, opposite arm, opposite leg, actually cross, that will be exactly the center where any movement starts. And now let's use this idea, this approach of engaging our center in something as easy as just a change of weight.
Change the weight is like normal step but with zero distance.
So we have our heels together, standing in our dynamic position. We have our knees relaxed and they remain in the same level. We don't want this to happen, right? So, knees relaxed, dynamic position, changing weight.
Yes, our center needs to be in the line of the adductor of the free leg. Attention, in the adductor of the free leg and not in top of the base leg, because in this moment we will lose our balance.
And don't be scared, because when we say on top of the free leg, we mean the inner thigh muscle. So you don't have to go that far away. The movement of the center is minimal. But if you think that it is the center that initiates any movement, there is no longer neither to go up and down or do something extra.
Okay, this sensation you need to find for yourself in your body.
Let's do some exercises of doing the change of weight for a little bit. One more time, knees at the same level, we're moving our center.
Yeah, our knees remain in the same line, remember that. And now, let's continue with the same idea of change the weight, but our free leg, we will cross and change the weight. Cross and change the weight. Our center continue in top of the adductor of the free leg. Yeah? It's important to understand here we don't block our leg, because by the moment we block, it's impossible to change the weight without lose our balance.
And then we do the same exercise, but cruising back maybe.
Of course, the same idea, dynamic position.
One more thing to pay attention to, or to have a thought. When we're standing, we have heels together, toes slightly apart, and to make the step, we have to arrive with every step pretty much to the same position.
So, if we start in this position, we make a step and we arrive exactly in the same position. So, we need to keep our adductor parallel and our knees looking forward.
So there is no rotation, because if we do rotate the leg, making the step, we will arrive to a completely different position, which will make our life much more difficult. So making a step, thinking that the knee of the base leg always shows the direction. And this is where we're going to make the step. The same backwards.
Exactly. Remember, our center need to be in top of the adductor of the free leg and not the base leg. So, for initiate the movement, we activate our center and we make the step. If we go back, we activate our center and we go back.
Our next point, projection of our free leg.
Our free legs need to be relaxed and straight.
Straight and relaxed. First sounds like a complete contradiction.
But it's exactly the same. For example,
If we take how to make straight and relaxed arm, let's try this. We'll relax our elbow in our palm, and now we'll push the palm to straighten the arm on the level of the shoulder.
it's relaxed and it's straight.
Yes?
Of course, we can move with our muscles.
Oh, we don't want that in this case. We're just using the articulation to straighten the arm.
The same happens with our leg.
So when we do the projection, we don't start with the knee. We're actually just straightening the free leg.
Yeah, and if you realize, it's straight and it's relaxed.
And now let's do this exercise. We'll stay on one leg and we'll go forward, backwards. Making sure that at the final point we have the knee straight.
And our collarbone is always in top of our metatarsal, the ball of the foot. So the only part to move is our center.
Yes? And
Center.
here we're using our contra-body position as the initial point of the movement. Do this exercise one leg and then
And
the
the other
other
leg.
leg.
And now let's go part by part. We will divide our normal step in 5 stages.
And that is the most difficult tango exercise ever. To put things which we do unconsciously, to put it in our consciousness.
Part number 1.
All the weight on one leg. Remember, dynamic position. Part number 1, knees down. Part number 2,
Contra-body position.
part number 3,
Straight leg.
free leg. Part number 2, we're going to push the floor and we're not going to go forward. We're going to think of hyperbola. We arrive 100% on the leg. And now part number 5, we come to 0. And we start all over again. Part number 1, knee down. Part number 2,
Contra-body position.
part number 3,
Straight leg.
part number 4, hyperbola. We arrive 100%. And part number 5, coming to 0. Now, let's unite. Let's put together to make out of 5 stages to make just 2.
Okay, let's go for that.
What was our last part, last stage? It was number 5. So let's unite 5 and then 1, 2, 3. Let's do it one more time. 5, 1, 2, 3.
One more time.
5, 1, 2, 3. And now, let's put it all together as one.
Okay.
This will create that mythical spiral we always hear about. So if we're here, so it's E1. And from here, we'll push the floor in hyperbola rhyming. And again, E1. And push the floor. So that way, we have actually our walking.
And now let's put all the things together. All this idea show us when, as the teacher say, put your intention forward or give me more ways, is mean not blocking
And falling
and
forward.
to our partner. It's mean
But we're using actually all this idea of spiral, center, and contra-body position we were talking about.
the length of the step depends of how good we use the knees of the base leg. Like when we jump, if we want to make small jump, we use a small flexion in the knee. But if we want to make a high jump, we need to use really more flexion to jump.
The same happens in our step.
If we want to make a smaller step, our knees.
Walk just a little bit.
But if we want to make a big step, our knees working more.
One little note for the girls. Actually, the movement of our ankle we can treat as an embellishment, as an adorno, because coming in all the 5 stages of our step, when we were saying down, contra-body, and straight the knee, then if we want, and if we have time, and it's actually the music that inspires us, we have this movement of the ankle. But let's say if we dance milonga or something fast, darienzo, we don't have time for that. So all this movement until straightening the knee, and if we want to, we use our ankle. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
And see you soon in our next videos.